Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to build a professional website without touching a single line of code, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Hostgator website builder step by step. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to rebuild your site faster, this guide will help you get online in minutes. So stay tuned till the end because I'll share a few pro tips that'll make your site look extra polished. First things first, let's get into Hostgator. Head over to hostgator.com and click the sign in button on the top right corner. Log in using your credentials, your email and password, and once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the website icon or section. This is where all your sites are managed. Click on it and then click Edit Site. This will launch the Hostgator website builder, your main workspace for creating and customizing your site. Now, before making changes, it's a good idea to see what your current site looks like. Click Visit Site to preview it. This gives you a quick overview of what's live right now. When you're ready to start editing, just click Edit Site again. And this is where the fun begins. Inside the builder, you'll see that everything works with a drag and drop interface. That means you can simply click on text, images, buttons, or sections and move them around wherever you want. You can also add new elements, like contact forms, galleries, or call to action buttons by dragging them from the side panel onto your page. HostGator also comes with modern templates that you can fully customize, perfect for small businesses, blogs, or personal portfolios. You can easily change fonts, colors, background images, and layout spacing, all visually, no coding required. And that's it. You just learned how to use the HostGator website builder, from logging in, editing, to customizing your entire website. It's honestly one of the fastest ways to get a professional looking site up and running. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tutorial. And if you have any questions about customizing your HostGator site, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.